If you want to make money using the power of internet and you have a sincere interest of helping people, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can spare 90 minutes a day and build a sustainable income using the power of internet from the comfort of your home. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mosh Barry, and I'm a 7-figure digital product creator company. My company creates and markets digital products, and we also market products from other people as affiliates. Before we begin, let us understand a couple of fundamental things. Number one, people make money by offering help and services to other people. Internet is no different. So if you want to make money using the power of internet, you need to be able to help others. And for that, you need to build skills. So the 90 minutes I was talking about, 30 minutes of that time, you need to do research. And 30 minutes, you need to work on building new skills. And remaining 30 minutes is for marketing. So the first 30 minutes you have to spend on researching on who needs help, who are ready to spend money to get help from you. What skills do you need to build in order to help others and charge money from them for the help? So putting all these data in one place is the research part, and no matter what you do, you have to do it. I know this could be the most boring part, but this would be the most valuable part as well. Not only you will learn a lot, but also you will make less mistakes and you will become more time successful. I will start with an example. Let's say in your area there are beauty salons. Am I right? Those beauty salons need new customers who need their services every single day. And they always need new and new customers. Those beauty salons are so busy with their business, serving their clients, that most of them don't have time for marketing. But marketing is really easy. You need to put some content and publish those contents in the public places. Like you can create awesome videos on beauty tips and publish on YouTube and Facebook and even on TikTok. This way you can draw attention of a lot of potential customers. Now in the research part, you need to locate the businesses, let's say beauty salons, in your locality or the locality around you, and then find their problems. And let's say you figured that marketing is their problem and they need help with marketing. Now you can learn making videos. Making videos is really easy. Normally, for content-based videos, you don't need to put yourself in front of the camera, like almost never. Putting yourself in front of the camera is completely an option that you absolutely don't need. But of course, if you are confident and if you want to learn that, you can always do that. But you can always start with simple videos. And for that, you need video softwares. Now there are so many cheap and expensive softwares on the internet. You can use any of them and build content videos. Now make some videos, awesome videos on beauty tips, and show these videos to the businesses, the beauty salons, and tell them, hey, you need more customers, for that you need marketing, and for marketing you need more content. I can build this kind of content for you. If you're interested, do let me know. So now you're doing 3 things, as I told you before. You're doing research, you're doing skill building, and you're marketing your skills. Now, of course, not everybody will contact you back, and not everybody will buy your services. But yes, a lot of them will. And if you can just spend 30 minutes per day on marketing, and after 5 days, you get a job, and after every 5 days, you get a new job, and you get 6 jobs a month, let's say you charge $2,000 per job, you make $12,000 a month by only using 90 minutes a day. So that's it. First, do research. Spend solid 30 minutes on research. Put the data you gather on a piece of paper or on a spreadsheet so you can access that data anytime. Based on your research, build new skills. Spend 30 minutes per day solid on learning new skill. Don't get distracted. When you find something, go do it. Don't go here and there, and don't try to learn everything in one day. Put solid 30 minutes. Invest this 30 minutes per day on building skills. Within very short time, you will become an expert on the skills you are trying to build. And then 30 minutes solid on marketing. Marketing is very, very important. Now you might be asking, do you need to go and meet the business owners? Well, this works, but you don't need to. You can always use their emails. You can call them, but you can use WhatsApp. A lot of those businesses use social media, and they reply you back when you contact them. If your service is valuable to them, they will contact you back. That's it. I hope it was helpful. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel using the red subscribe button below, and make sure you switch on the notification button, the little bell button on the right hand side of the subscribe button. This way, every time I upload a new video, you get a notification. And I highly recommend you join my mailing list using the link in the description, because every time I upload a new video, create a new content, or send out an email to my mailing list, I always offer tips, tricks, and awesome gifts. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Mosh Barry signing off. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.